turning pages into pumpkins. Creativity is in full bloom as Okatie Elementary School hosts its annual Pumpkins in Disguise contest. Each year, students take on the challenge of transforming an ordinary pumpkin, real, artificial, or even paper, into their favorite book character. From Harry Potter to Pete the Cat and more, it's a storybook celebration of imagination and reading.
I like the book because I like the Dallas Cowboys, and they're one of the NFL's best teams, and I like Dak Prescott. I painted it, I let it dry, and then I painted some more.
I made the Giving Tree pumpkin. I made it because I like the book because there's this tree who loves a boy, and she loves it super much, but the boy grows up, and then it starts taking away her stuff, and then in the end, she helps the boy with one last thing.
I made ADHD because I really like Dogman, and ADHD was in a Dogman book, How to Draw. I really like comics, that's why I always come and choose comics.
The pumpkins are organized by grade level, and there's even a special category for families and educators to join in on the fun.
I chose The Day the Crowns Quit, and so I decorated it white and I put different crowns on it and I made their signs. I just thought it was a really cute book and it teaches children to use the different colors for different things more, and I thought it was just kind of cute.
The Pumpkins in Disguise Challenge is a great way to celebrate literacy in a fun and creative way.
All these different pumpkins are like cool, and I want to read some of the books.
All the pumpkins were showcased in the Media Center, where students and staff could stroll through and vote for their favorite book character in each category. At Okatie Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.